resolution tinzukne tsapshuche an nabazo samala dashtele shuyi an tomadala susta Liechtenstein gi permimola tiringi ngoge di traditioni an ning thagone tuche shuyi tiring an zunyam de gazu dula yudunge gi tamshiti ani inge thone ani sheshwashe. Today, in exactly 1 month, the 2022 Winter Olympic Games will take place in Beijing, an event that will go down in history as the Genocide Games. It is an honor to stand here today in front of the UN in the presence of Tendou Wangyala and Golo Jingmela, both living heroes who have sacrificed and risked their lives for the cause of Tibet. Right before coming here to Geneva today, Tendou Wangyala joined us in an action in Lausanne. Just 2 hours ago, we were in Lausanne and displayed a banner at the front entrance of the Olympic Museum calling for No Beijing 2022. This simple action that we did today forced the Olympic Museum staff to shut down the entire building. Our activists were stuck inside the building until local police arrived. They questioned us and took our personal information, but let us go eventually. This incident really is representative of the IOC's behavior and another proof of the failure of human rights. How is a big institution like the IOC afraid of young Tibetan activists who are protesting peacefully and non-violently? How ironic is it that they are calling the police on us as if we're the criminals, while they are letting China, the world's worst violator of human rights, host the Olympics once again. With the upcoming Olympics, the IOC gives the Chinese regime a platform to spread their propaganda and false narratives. But the Games are not only a chance for China to sports-wash their human rights violations. The Games are also a chance for us to shine light to the situation, the grave human rights situation inside Tibet, inside East Turkestan, inside Hong Kong and China. Like never before, we have a number of countries boycotting the Genocide Games. This, dear brothers and sisters, is history in the making. So we must keep the momentum going and we must keep pushing forward. We must call on other governments, sponsors and athletes to follow suit and boycott Beijing 2022. Free Tibet, free East Turkestan, free Hong Kong, boycott Beijing 2022. Thank you.